Even though I got pretty good at being scrappy and improving our resources just with the tools available, it was undeniable that I spent a lot of time on those hacks and bespoke elements to make up for functionality that other platforms lacked. And when I learned about Grapevine and how it centralizes communication and knowledge management tools in such a streamlined and intuitive way, I had quite a bit of retroactive FOMO. At Lyft, it would have been much easier to house those communication templates, conversation tips, and newsletters in the same platform like Grapevine offers instead of us needing to switch back and forth. And at the Farmer's Dog, I wouldn't have needed to spend so much time building each element block by block because Grapevine already offers the key functionalities that I wanted right out of the box, including custom branding for team pages, personalized user profiles, real-time communication, and intuitive search features. Grapevine's information hub would have also been particularly transformative, allowing us to turn any resource, whether it be a chat, a document, or an update, into a searchable, shareable, and savable file. This seamless functionality would have saved significant time and ensured that knowledge was always at our fingertips.